I just want to know one thing. When you feel really hurt by something or someone, a situation, people, or whatever, how correct or incorrect is it to move away despite making one attempt to try and clarify things?
When was the last time somebody stabbed you with a knife? They never did? Okay, when was the last time somebody poked you with a pin at least? No? They ignored you. This is not nice. So when you talk about causing pain, someone else can cause physical pain to you. They can injure you. That's different. Mentally, all pain is caused by you and nobody else but you. Somebody is doing what they like to do and you get hurt.
No, but should we choose to walk away from
Will come. First of all, why are you hurt? That's all I'm asking. If you start doing that, you'll be walking away from everybody, because everybody will hurt you. There is no such perfect human being who will not hurt you. Everybody will hurt you. If you're waiting for that perfect on the white horse knight, there is no such man, believe me. You can believe me, see, I've been around for long. There is no such man or woman who is perfect. I want you to look back and see, today you're in Gujarat, so here there's a big celebration about Krishna. I'm saying even such a man, not okay for the people who are there. So there is no perfect human being anywhere. So they do not hurt you. They're doing what they know best. You're getting hurt, isn't it? Unless they're poking you with something. They're poking you with a dagger, you must move away. You shouldn't be there. But they're saying something. Why are they saying what they're saying? That is the best they know. Yes or no? You don't like to be in an atmosphere, not because it is causing pain to you, because certain atmospheres will not allow you to be effective. I want to do something, in a certain atmosphere, it'll not work. So I don't want to waste my energies there, so I'll move elsewhere. But not because they're going to hurt me. If they're going to shoot at you, you must move away. Otherwise, why?